Hello folks, welcome to another daily vlog at the MX5 Restorer. What day is it today? Wednesday, it's my birthday today. Yeah. 21 again. Literally. Right, car park time. Finally it stopped raining, so I've got the Super out. What else have we got out? I don't think there's anything else to talk about other than this one here was the one that was on Roy's ramp. Wheels have gone off for refurbishment. I think yesterday that side was already welded and he's finished off, or was it the other way around? I can't remember now. He's finished off this side today and he's on to another project that we'll talk about when we're back inside. Chris had this one on the ramp. This was one he was doing the chassis rails on. He's also done something with the AEM wideband. I don't think that was working. That needed a new sensor, and I think that is it. It's been MOT'd as well, so that one is done. Just needs a final clean. Let's head into the workshop. I shall go in and try and tell everyone to be quiet. There's not too much background noise. Shush! Cheers, Ash. Can you make sure Grant keeps the noise down as well? Don't look so scared, Roy.
I'm not scared, mate. You don't want to see this.
No?
No.
It's a bit ungood.
It is a bit ungood.
So you just got this one on the ramp, an hour or so ago. You made a bit of a...
All I did was take the shield off the end plate.
Really?
And that happened.
Yeah, this one's going to involve a conversation. Because that's pretty far gone. If you can see in there, I don't know, can you hold the torch, Roy?
Yeah, mate.
I don't know if you go a bit lower. I don't know if you can see in there, past that vertical section, there's a plate that's kind of bent plate. That is the seatbelt mount. So you can see that the rust on the inner seal is quite significant. So this ideally needs a new full seal for that reason, and for that reason there. Along here we can see it starting to go. This is what we call the floor to sill panel, from there to there. That's going because that isn't floor pan. Floor pan starts here and goes that way. So this is actually part of the sill. And we've also got rust problems on the bottom of the wing, bottom of the sill. So we're going to take this away. We'll take the bottom of the wing away first of all, just to investigate, see what that sill's like. And we've got a bit of blistering coming through. It's very small. Yeah, it's very small, but that's normally an indication that there's problems within. And from what we can see at the back, that's kind of confirmed, isn't it?
Definitely.
But yeah, so before we contact the customer, we're going to get it fully investigated and then give the customer a call and let them know what we found, really.
Yeah, so I'm just removing spot welds at the moment, as you can see. And then we'll cut the arch off and then probably get rid of the inner seal and see how bad it is actually behind all this lot.
Yeah.
The fact that the upright here
That's
all disappeared at the back here.
Yeah, it's pretty significant.
So I've not seen what she's seen all that.
That's weird because it don't actually look that bad on the outside, did it?
No,
really?
Not really. I had a patch.
Yeah, but it wasn't.
But most of
I mean, because given that this isn't all gone, it's not.
No.
You've got a little bit there, but nothing major.
Yeah.
It's just sometimes you just can't tell, can you?
You can't, no. You've got a little bit up in here, needs to be sorted out as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's definitely going to need a conversation with,
all right.
with the customer.
Cheers, Rob.
No,
Ash has been cracking on with his epic rebuild. Take a bit of extra iron content in there.
The tea maker's not very good at making tea.
Well, he's not very good at making tea.
Is he not?
No.
What's wrong with that?
Well, I mean, it's just basically warm brown milk.
Not
man's tea.
Yeah, well, it just needs to taste of tea,
Yeah.
not muddy water.
okay.
Okay.
The first mistake there really was drinking tea.
Shut up.
Right. I can't remember where we were last time. You were just getting this on, weren't you? I don't know if that was in or not. I can't remember. I think that was in.
I think that was in. It was just I was doing the upright at the back here. I was getting that finished and just checking that that fitted and everything.
All right. So you're cleaning up and you're getting onto what, outer skin, or are you going to concentrate on the?
I'll do the back section first, get that finished.
Right.
And then I'll get the arch and the rest of the out panel done.
Okay, cool. Nice. Labours.
Boy.
Chris is killing time before he's off tomorrow and Friday.
I'm actually just trying to do this sort of really quick job, but hang on.
You appear to have dropped your monocle.
Hang on. It's coming. Yes. My tape's come off, so it's slid down. So I've got my wire sort of poking out that end, but it's slid down the other wire. So the other wire's just literally poked its head out of this end. So anyway, I spoke to him about this, and he's like well happy with that, because he didn't realise he could just disconnect the halo lights.
Okay.
So it looks like if I can just get this working, which I've already put 12 volts on, and that does work, it's because the wiring is all twisted. It means I can get his fog lights back up and running, and that's it.
Okay.
Also, I don't know why we're changing the gearbox on this. I mean, it's down for it, but it just says change 5-speed gearbox, but we haven't gone for driving it, but he hasn't asked us to test it. But he just wants us to supply another 5-speed gearbox.
Okay.
So we're doing that. Uprated clutch, uprated flywheel, seals, and some other little bits and pieces.
Alright.
Check on some rust.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm off to pig work tomorrow.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
On your own, or are you taking anyone with you?
No, it's me.
Just you?
Yeah, I'm having a day out.
Cool. You'll enjoy that.
Yeah. No, I'm looking forward to it actually.
Yeah. Good.
I'll see you.
I might go for a drive in a minute. As it's my birthday, I might finish this video. Just make sure I've got everything finalised for the one that's supposed to go live tonight,
Yeah.
and then I might go. Because birthday. All right. See how Grant's getting on with his seals. He's drilling.
Drilling holes in this. I've got a perfectly good panel.
Yeah. Oh,
Weight
hang on.
saving.
That won't help.
Yeah, a bit of background.
All right.
Yeah.
Not using the pat. Not using the. Don't get on with that.
You see how thick these things are?
Yeah.
Outer panels maybe, but not the inner.
You don't use it on the inner. Okay.
No.
Right.
Lip wrists, you know.
So you got the other side cut open now.
Yeah.
So this one's a bit worse, isn't it? So
Yeah, there's
a bit of rear box section and a bit of a repair required to the seal end plate. I guess we may fabricate something for that, or we might cut off the bottom of the panel. We shall decide that
yeah.
before the outer goes on, probably.
Before it goes on. Yeah, exactly.
Other side is ready to accept.
Yeah, that's what this is now, yeah.
All right, okay. Should we put it in place to show? Nice.
Wow, along those lines anyway.
Yeah, sweet. Okay, cool. Thanks, Grant.
All right, no worries.
Is that Max Verstappen up there?
No, we don't like him.
He's just bought a super yacht, actually.
Yeah,
apparently.
good for him, but we're Lewis Hamilton fans here. Well, I am.
I like the I don't know, the drama of it,
Yeah.
and I like the idea of someone else winning for a change.
Well, it's nice that Lewis is being tested this year.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. It's best season for a long time, I think.
yeah. It's going to be good. It's going to be good.
But no one knows about it because they've all been watching football. and we got 3 excellent drivers in Formula One at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one knows about it.
Yeah. Still football.
Boo. Yeah, we're not really football fans. I think that kind of goes for most car people, actually. There's not many people that are into cars that are also into football, which is why I never understood when Top Gear used to keep playing the football games. Bloody boring. I was going to come and see Ollie, but he's dealing with a customer at the moment, so we shall leave him to it. He's over there, look, talking about his turbo by the looks of it, and his cracked manifold. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.